Nikki from Nikki Lilly, a long time no see. I've not posted a video for, I actually don't know how long. I definitely know that it's been a fair few weeks, and the reason that I have been gone and uploading a little bit sporadically is because I had a big operation at the beginning of December, and ever since I've just been recuperating, catching up with work and just basically trying to get better, and so that's why I haven't posted. Now, as you can tell from the title, I'm doing a very belated and long-awaited video. I'm doing a what I got for Christmas 2018, and it's no longer 2018, it is in fact now 2019, but I always love doing a yearly what I got for Christmas video, and I thought, even though I'm not going to be able to film it in December, I still shouldn't miss out on filming it because this is one of my favourite videos to do every year, along with what I got for my birthday. I just find it really fun sharing with you guys what I got and giving you ideas of what you could maybe ask for next year. But yeah, I'm so grateful for everything that I got. It has been quite a hard couple of months because I actually had some complications with my operation in December, so instead of being in hospital for a week or so, I ended up being there for 3 weeks, and I had an infection and they didn't know where it was, and I was on lots of antibiotics, and then I got arthritis in my knees, and so I've not been very mobile. But I'm finally back and better than ever. As you can see, I'm still swollen, but I didn't want to have to miss any more uploads, and I really actually did miss filming videos, so yeah, without further ado, let's jump in. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing actually some of my merch today. As you can see, this is the blue Nikki Lilly jumper. I absolutely love it. So if you guys would like to see the full range, I'll leave a link in the comment section and in the description box for you guys to check out, and we are constantly updating it and designing new things for you guys, so yeah, I hope you guys like it. And for those of you who have bought something already, thank you so much, and I'm so glad that you are loving the collection as much as I am. As you can see in the background, I've changed it up a little bit and I've made the lighting a bit different. I mean, I'm kind of liking it like this, it's a bit more cool toned. But for Christmas from my mum and dad, I was given this on-air neon light up sign, which I absolutely love. It's from Oliver Bonus, and I think it sits in perfectly with my YouTube videos, so I love that. So the first thing I got makeup wise was the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and firstly I love this because it's so small and compact, and you can just take this travelling with you or just easily put it into a makeup bag or handbag. And inside you get 9 different shimmery and matte shades that all are inspired by the colour topaz, so obviously like oranges, yellows, reds, colours like that. And what I was so surprised with is that they're so pigmented, because I'm actually wearing some of the colours on my eyes today. I mean, guys, it's like nearly February. I couldn't not play with some of the stuff I got. Like, some of the stuff I haven't taken out of the packaging because I wanted to wait for this video, but I mean, makeup wise, I just couldn't wait. So there's literally zero fallout, which I was like so surprised with, and that's amazing. Okay, now on to one of the most exciting things I got for Christmas. So all of you guys must know the YouTuber James Charles. I think he's such a funny guy and is so talented when it comes to makeup. So he recently did a collaboration with Morphe and released a makeup brush set as well as a palette, and it was called the Release Your Inner Artist palette, I think. I use this a little bit today as well, so the only thing I wish there is that the names of the colours were actually on the palette instead of like on this plastic sheet, because I always lose these and wonder what the names of the colours are. So yeah, today I used these 2 shades here and these 2 shimmery shades on my eyes. Unfortunately, the pink shade actually broke during shipment, but that's okay. Eyeshadows are quite fragile. I actually used the purpley, bluey, pinky shades down here on New Year's Eve. You may have seen on my Instagram, I did this like galaxy eye look which went across my eye, and Yeah, I was very proud of that because I never really do stuff out of my comfort zone, and it took me literally like 2.5 hours, but it was so worth it and I love the end result. So if you guys would like me to show you how I did it, then do let me know. But yeah, can't wait to play around with this more and use like some of the greeny shades and shades that are more out of my comfort zone. I love to have a little bit of glow. I love my highlight to look fleeky and really out there. Like, you could literally probably like spot me from a mile away if I'm wearing highlighter, because I love to pack it onto my cheekbones, on my nose and everywhere like that. So one of my favourite brands to achieve that fleeky glow is Ofra. Ta-da! And I already had one of their singular highlighters, but I'd seen this palette online and thought, oh my god, like my dream would be to get this palette. I did put this on my Christmas list as an idea, but never expected to get it. So when I did, I was over the moon. And it's the Ofra On The Glow palette. So you get 6 different powders in here. You get 3 highlighters and I think 3 bronzers. So it's a really good all-round palette, and it's great for, I'd say, any skin tone. I think darker skin tones could use it and fairer skin tones could use it. I can't wait to have a play with this a little bit more and do other people's makeup with it as well. So something I've had on like my list of things to get is the Sigma skincare brush set. Ta-da! Sigma is a makeup brush brand, but they came out with these super cool skincare brushes. So they're basically to help you with applying skincare products. So they have a spatula, which is to scoop and evenly spread thick masks on. They have a serum brush, which is to apply liquids and gel serums gently and evenly. They have a moisturiser brush, use angle to gently apply moisturiser, and then they have a gel mask brush for like applying gel masks in circular motions, and they have a little baby spatula. So I loved the sound of this and the look of this because I hate it. I've got quite long nails and I hate it when I'm using products out of a tub and when they get underneath my nails, or if I'm using a mask and it gets underneath my nails, if it's like a clay mask or a really thick mask. And so these will come in super handy for when I'm applying skincare. And I guess they are also a little bit more hygienic because you're not using your hands, because even if you wash your hands, there is still some like germs on them and bacteria. So before I give these a go, I will obviously wash them. But yeah, I can't wait to use these, and it will make applying everything so much easier and less messy. So in the UK, we have a homeware shop called Oliver Bonus, and I guess it's a bit of an all-rounder because it sells jewellery, a little bit of clothes. It's where I got my on-air light from. It sells recipe books, makeup bags, cards. So it's a bit of an all-rounder shop, but it's a really cute shop. So if you guys are ever in the UK, try and find an Oliver Bonus to visit. And when I was in hospital, I had so much free time that it's kind of bad being in hospital for so long because you end up looking at so many online shops and just like making a list longer than your whole body of everything you want, so or would love to have. So one of the things that I was looking at when I was on the Oliver Bonus site was this makeup bag. How cute is this? It's a dark grey fairy makeup bag with these little pink and green eyes. I love this. Firstly, I don't know how people can have a small makeup bag. Like, I'm going to be taking a big palette in there, brushes, setting spray, a mirror. I just don't know how you guys, like out there, some of you can travel with a small makeup bag when you're doing like a full face of makeup. I don't know how you guys do it. So the first thing I love about this is that it's a pretty big size, so I can definitely fit a lot of makeup in here, which is always a good sign. Next, I think I'll do the stuff that I got from my lovely brother and sister. I think we all got really good presents for each other this year. I feel like we all went above and beyond, so I'm so happy with my presents, and so are they, and I'm so grateful for them as well. So let's do what I got from my brother Alex first. My lovely brother got me this Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt. It's basically just this vintage black Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt, and I've been tying the bottom of this and wearing it with some jeans and some trainers, or I've been just tucking it into a skirt. The options are endless on how you can style a black t-shirt, and I just love the addition of the Tommy jeans writing. And then the other thing that I got from my brother Alex was this Pull and Bear bomber jacket. Ta-da! I absolutely love this. It's not something that I would pick for myself, but Alex is really good with like knowing what clothes that I'd like. I don't know why, he just knows my fashion sense and just seems to know what I like and what I don't like. So I don't know, he's just got an eye for fashion. So yeah, this is this blue, burgundy and light yellow bomber jacket. I really love this. I just find it so cozy, and you can layer so many things underneath it. Everyone needs a bomber jacket in their life when it's cold. From my sister Tasha, we did things a little bit differently this year. Tasha came up with the idea of creating a stocking for each other. So we had a price limit and basically made a stocking for each other full of lots of little things instead of like one or two bigger things and more expensive things. These are the things that Tasha put in my stocking. So the first thing that Tasha got me for Christmas was this cup from Coco Tang. Now you guys may be wondering, Nikki, why did your sister get you a cup for Christmas? Basically, a little bit of a backstory is that where Tasha goes to uni, there is a restaurant called Coco Tang, which I love, and when me and my mum and dad went down to visit her, we went out for lunch and we went to Coco Tang. And ever since we ate there, I literally haven't stopped raving about the food to her and like asking her like, whenever you go back, send me pictures, I'm so jealous. And so I think she got the idea that I love Coco Tang, and I also love drinking my herbal teas as well, so she got me this to have my herbal teas in. And then to go along with that, with my herbal teas, Tasha got me this Beauty and the Beast inspired tea strainer. So you basically just put the tea in here and just pop it in the cup and strain it. The next thing Tasha got me was this mini expert face brush from Real Techniques. This is so useful for when I'm travelling and I'm taking like a foundation with me or something, or some concealer, because I end up just taking all my full-size brushes and it takes up so much room. But because this is just so small and miniature, it will make just travelling so much easier. And even this would be so good to take to school, whether it would be to just like blot my face when it gets a bit oily, or to use when I need to apply some more concealer and top up throughout the day. I'm not sure if you guys know this, but I am obsessed with unicorns. I love everything unicorn, and obviously Tasha knew that, so she got me some unicorn putty. So this is basically just putty in this tin, if I can open it. So here's what the putty looks like. It has bits of shimmer going through it, and it's this pink putty. I use this so much, especially when I'm having anxiety or feeling a bit down or just need something to distract me, because I'm always that person that needs to fiddle with something. I can't just be doing nothing. So sometimes like I'll be watching Netflix and literally just fiddling with my putty. So yeah, I love this, and I didn't know putty could bring someone so much joy, but now I do, because this putty has brought me so much joy. And the last thing that was in my stocking was this rust bodysuit from Nasty Gal. I think it's velvet. Yeah, this rust velvet striped bodysuit. I love Nasty Gal. I think their clothes are not too expensive. I guess they are like a high street price, and also they're just a bit more edgy and different, which I really like. So if I ever want to find like a new and different piece to add to my wardrobe, I'll always go to Nasty Gal and have a look on their site. And I've actually not worn this yet, simply because I've had everything in a pile ready for this video and have actually forgotten what I've been given, because Christmas feels like so long ago now and it's nearly February, like how? But yeah, I think this would look so cute with like a skirt and tights, or I don't know, I feel like you could do so many things with this. You could like play this up or down. Yeah, I just love items like this where you can make them look more smart or more casual. I love this. You guys, like, it's taken everything in me not to use this. I got for Christmas this year a mini hot waffle maker. Firstly, I love waffles. Secondly, I love hearts. And thirdly, I love mini things. So like, put it all together you get this. And I've literally been looking up so many waffle recipes. I've found a apple crumble waffle recipe, a like chocolate chip and orange waffle recipe. I've literally got a whole folder on my laptop of waffle recipes, like no joke, that I'm just waiting to try, and now that I filmed this video, I finally can. So these are a set of 5 different notebooks, and they all have different categories of what they're for. So this is a book, it says Nikki's merchandise on it, and it says merchandise ideas. So, you know, I can scribble down ideas of what other things I'd like to do merchandise wise, or scribble down some design ideas. So that's this pink notebook, and that's for merchandise, which I love. It's so thoughtful. And then the next one is, it says Nikki's videos and Instagram, and it says video planning and Instagram on it. And then I've got a Nikki's recipes and baking, and then it says baking and recipes on it. Nikki's to-do book, because I love a good to-do list. And Nikki's book ideas, because I've got a book coming out soon. Hint, hint. Yeah, so thank you so much for these, Mum and Dad. I absolutely love them, and I can't wait to fill them with so many different ideas. I've wanted this for so long, and I asked for it on a whim for Christmas, not expecting to get it, but I did. So it's this navy parka jacket, and I love this. I just feel like a nice, good quality parka jacket is great for this time of year, and I know that because it's a good quality coat, I'll be able to wear it and use it for years and years and years, and it just won't get worn out as quickly as a high street coat. So yeah, I'm so happy I got this. Thank you, Mummy and Daddy. I am over the moon. And then the last thing that they got me were some Nike International trainers, and these are blush and purple. I love these. They are suede, so I am going to have to treat them before I start wearing them, but I really love these trainers, and I don't have anything like this in my trainer collection. Literally all I have is black, white, grey, and so these will add a little subtle pop of colour to not only my trainer collection but also my outfits. So I love these, and I feel like I'm saying love so much, but I love everything. I'm just so grateful. But yeah, I really do love them and love everything I got. I am honestly so over the moon with everything and so grateful. So that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you guys got for Christmas. You may not even remember because Christmas was so long ago now. But yeah, let me know your standout present. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching again. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications to get alerted as soon as I post a video, so you are one of the first there. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always sticking with me and being there if I'm having a bad day. Make sure to check out my merch if you haven't already. I really love it and I'm so proud of it. And yeah, bye guys, love ya.